Hello traders and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, December 11th, 2018. How you doing? We're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements, show you what you need to pay attention to. Okay, today we're looking at CME, the exchange in Chicago and elsewhere. But what we are seeing here is we have a medium-term crossover, bullish crossover for the blue predictive line going over the black simple moving average. That coupled with a predicted range that's higher than yesterday's actual high and low, and the neural index in the green position showing short-term strength. So what you notice here is that every time that you've gotten a pullback here and you've gotten that crossover, it's been a great place to get in. No matter if it was down at the 170-ish area or 178 area, or now that we're trading up at the 189-ish area. Let's get CME up on the options screen as well. Trading 190.93 right now. Predicted low today is 188.80, so we're right in the middle of the range. Perfect. So if you're a stock trader buying it anywhere really in this neighborhood between 90 and 91, very prudent move. If you're going to play this with options, I would want to consider the 197.5 200 call spread, and that's actually trading for about 35 cents, 35 to 40 cents right now. And if we get the full 200, if we max the spread out at 200, you're going to have a massive, let's just say we had to pay 40 cents for this. So you can make 210, and so you're getting like 5 1/4 to 1. The thing is, though, when you do the analytics with the implied volatility, using the implied volatility, the days to expiration, and the underlying price, if we target that instead of being able to get we're only going to get 3 to 1 because you're going to have 120, 110, excuse me, and divided by 40 cents, you're getting 2.75 to 1. So still, even with that conservative approach to the risk, not saying that we're going to max out the spread, you're still getting nearly 3 to 1. So that's what we're looking at today. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. Good luck, and I will talk to you later on in the week.